Hey guys, Andy Bamford here from Living Strong, and today we're back into prompt engineering. We're going to discuss three techniques: zero-shot prompting, single-shot prompting, and few-shot prompting. Let's get stuck in, guys. Alright everyone, so zero-shot prompting. So we've talked a little bit about this before. All it really is a standard prompt where you're asking the large language model something like, what is the capital of France, or write me a quick summary on such and such or write me a letter to the boss saying that I'm sick today, or something like that. That's standard zero-shot prompting. Now, let's have a look. The next thing we want to talk about is one-shot prompting. So one-shot prompting is ideal for formatting. So if you want something to be displayed in a certain format, for creating roles and personalities, and also for many other cases. And the third thing we're going to talk about, few-shot prompting, is ideal for sentiment analysis. So that's getting an idea of what clients, what sort of mood the clients are in when they respond to, say, reviews or something like that. And answers based on context. So what that means is giving the large language model some scenarios that it can look at and get an idea of how to respond. Alright guys, so what we'll do now is we'll jump into the OpenAI playground, and we'll bang out some examples. How does that sound? Alright everyone, let's start off with a single shot prompt. So I've got one here that I created earlier, so I'll just paste this one in here. And we'll put it straight into the system message in the, we're in the playground here in OpenAI's playground, and we'll put it in the system message, and it's got here example, format the following items as a numbered list. Example, input apple, banana and cherry. I've got this in a list, and output number 1, number 2, number 3, apple, banana, cherry. So now do the same formatting for carrot, broccoli and spinach. Actually, we won't have that in the system message because it probably won't do anything. We'll put it straight into the chat message here. So we'll put that in, press run, and there we go. So it automatically creates that same format, carrot, broccoli and spinach in the 1, 2, 3 format. So we could do the same thing. Let's grab that same prompt, and if we wanted to change this to A, B and C, A, B and C. Now we'll try that again and see what happens, and I think you guys can pretty much guess what's going to happen. So it's automatically picked up on the fact that we want that in letter format, as in A, B and C instead of 1, 2 and 3, and there you have it. It's all gone through. This time we'll create a personality. So we'll use the single shot prompt to create a style that we want the LLM to produce. So let's have a look, see what we've written here. So what we've got here is respond to the following question in the style of a Valley Girl. Okay, so, and then we're going to give the example, what are your plans for the weekend? And then the response is, oh my god, like I want to go to the mall for sure. And so let's do the same thing again. How would you feel about a new fashion trend? So run that, and you guessed it, the LLM's turned into a Valley Girl. Oh my god, like I'm literally obsessed, blah blah blah. So there you have it. That's it with that one. Let's try the same thing again with another prompt. Let's try an Aussie outback farmer. Paste this one in. So what I've written here is respond to the following question in the style of an Australian outback farmer. And there we have it, we've got an example. How's the weather looking today? And then the answer is, the Aussie farmer goes, "G'day mate, she's a real scorcher out in the bush. The cattle are flat out like a lizard drinking, trying to find some shade." So then that's that's how an Aussie farmer might respond. Well, not all Aussie farmers are like that, but I'm sure a few of them are. And there we go. So then what we'll do there is we'll come up with another question. So what are your plans for the weekend? Let's run that. And because the LLM's behaving like an Aussie farmer, it does exactly the same thing. "G'day mate. Well, this weekend I'm reckoning we'll be mending some fences." So there you have it, guys. You can actually create roles and personalities just by using single shot prompting. So what we'll do now, guys, is we'll move on to few shot. All right, now few shot prompting is perfect for it's actually perfect if you've got a whole bunch of emails coming through with different sentiments, like different people writing with different moods and so forth. The LLM can actually, if you train the LLM with few shot prompting, it can actually pick up on what the mood of the person is, or the sentiment of the person is, and figure out how to respond, or maybe how to sort an email into the right category or something like that. So let's have a little look at that, guys. So we'll got this one here that I've whipped up. Okay, few shot prompting. So we don't need that heading there called few shot prompting. So classify the sentiment of the following sentences as positive, negative, or neutral. So we've given some examples there. So we've got I absolutely love the restaurant, so that's positive, obviously. The movie was okay, that's neutral. I'm disappointed, so that's negative. The book was fascinating, positive. The weather is average, so that's neutral. So I now classify this sentence. The concert last night was a huge letdown. So if we run that, and the assistant came up with negative. So that's exactly what we wanted. Obviously, the more, we don't want to have too many few shots, but if we have, the more we have to a certain degree, the more reliable the model's going to be. All right, guys, so I think we'll leave it at that. I hope that's helped everyone a lot. And yeah, so let's leave it at that for now. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone.